Halo semuanya guys, welcome back to my channel. Pada kesempatan konten kali ini kita akan membahas soal-soal fisika, yaitu tentang yang namanya work, energy, and power. Seperti biasa, kalian boleh download soalnya, sudah saya berikan di dalam link di kolom deskripsi ya. Oke, kita langsung saja ya, langsung masuk ke dalam contoh soalnya dan pembahasannya. Oke, kita baca dulu ya soal yang pertama. The diagram shows four bodies moving in the direction shown ya. The only force acting on the bodies are shown in each diagram ya. Kalian jadi bisa perhatikan ada 4 pilihan ya. Ada gaya-gaya dan masing-masing movementnya. Kemudian which body gains the most kinetic energy when moving a distance of 1 meter ya. Jadi sama-sama semua jaraknya 1 meter, tapi yang nanti gerakannya paling cepat ya, most kinetic energy ya. So kinetic energy is type of energy that ya yang dimiliki ya oleh benda yang bergerak ya. Moving object ya, moving object always a kinetic energy. Nah, jadi caranya untuk menemukan benda atau objek mana yang memiliki kinetic energy paling besar itu tergantung dari resultant force-nya. So it depends on the resultant force. So what does it mean, resultant force? Resultant force itu kamu harus perhatikan. For example ya, yang di A ada 20 dan 10, yang satu ke atas, yang satu ke bawah. So it means resultant force-nya itu netnya itu adalah 10 Newton. What about B? This one also 10 Newton tapi arahnya ke bawah ya. Beda movementnya aja tapi sama-sama 10 Newton ya. Kemudian bagaimana yang D? Ini 30 Newton ke kiri, 30 Newton ke kanan, berarti dia ini 0 Newton ya untuk resultant force-nya ya. Oke, kemudian yang C 10 Newton ke kiri, 25 Newton ke kanan. So the resultant force is 15 Newton ya, dikurangi ya kalau arahnya berlawanan. Nanti kalau ada soal yang arahnya itu gayanya itu sama, itu nanti dijumlahin seperti itu. Jadi ini kalau contohnya seperti ini 20 Newton ya. Jadi di sini jawabannya adalah bagian yang C ya, karena dia most atau maximum resultant force ya, paling besar. Jadi nanti kinetik energinya yang didapat dari objek itu juga paling besar. Oke, kita lanjut ke soal berikutnya, soal nomor 2. A steel ball is fired vertically upward with a velocity v. The ball reaches a height h ya. The same ball now fired vertically upward ya from the same position now with a velocity of 2v ya. Air resistance can be ignored. What's the new height reached by the ball? Jadi ini kita menggunakan yang namanya hukum kekekalan ya, conservation of energy ya. Conservation of energy ya, to solve this problem ya. Jadi kalau kamu nembakin bola dari bawah ground ke atas, di bawah ini dia punya namanya kinetic energy, dan because of air resistance can be ignored, nanti sampai di atas adanya GPE only ya. Semua energy will be transformed into GPE from KE ya. Jadi nanti kita bisa lihat ya formulanya adalah kita turunin dulu ya. Sorry. So KE ini kinetic energy akan sama dengan GPE ya. Kinetic energy kan rumusnya kan setengah mv square. Nah, GPE ini kan mgh. Nah, karena dia same mass, boleh dicoret. Now you will get this. Nah, kemudian kamu bisa lakukan yang namanya apa ya? Di akar ya. Kayak begini, ya. Jadi ini rumusnya. Oke, rumus yang akan kita pakai. Nah, kemudian bagaimana caranya? Kita bandingkan. Sekarang, kalau di kasus yang pertama, speed-nya kan ketinggiannya H dengan speed V. Sekarang kalau speed-nya 2V now, ketinggiannya jadi berapa? Nih, kita anggap H2 ya. Nah, ini karena dia pakai perbandingan, kita boleh coret ya. Itu berarti ini 1, 2 ya, ini perbandingannya. Kemudian, ini boleh dicoret nih nanti ya. Ini akar 2G dengan akar 2G-nya, kita bisa coret ya. Nanti menjadi sisanya will become like this ya. Okay, like this. Later this one will also cancel out. Nah, tinggal yang ininya. Nah, cara kita mencarinya itu kita harus kuadratin kanan kiri, square both sides ya. So it means from left part become like this, right part become like this, and then you cross multiplications become like this. So the answer, the new height reached by the ball is 4 times the initial height. Yeah, it means yeah. All right. If you want pause this video, please you can do that. So bisa disesuaikan dengan speed kalian ya belajarnya. Oke, next kita akan masuk ke soal berikutnya, soal nomor 3. Soal nomor 3. A solar panel is used to recharge a battery. The solar panel produces 0.8 watt of electric power. The panel is 20% efficient. Nah, what is the power input of the sunlight into the solar panel? Nah, efficiency, the formula is, efficiency formula is output, always ya, over the input, multiply with 100%. So it means if the efficiency 20%, power to battery is the output, always the output. Yeah, this is the input. The question asking for the input, and the output is 0.8 multiplied with 100%. Now we do the algebraic like this, and to find the input now, we have to divide 0.8 divided with 0.2. The input is 4 watt. That's the power input from the solar panel. Yeah. All right, next we are moving number 4 here. Number 4, a ball of mass 1.2 kg is dropped from a height of 30 meters. As it falls, 20% of initial GPE is transferred to thermal energy. What's the kinetic energy? The ball before it. Okay, as you know, as I mentioned before, about conservation of energy, all energy cannot be created or destroyed. It just can move or transform from one another into another form. So it means that from the GPE, when the ball is dropped, it means the ball has the initial or the initial GPE, right? So the GPE is transferred. When the ball hits the ground, it means that the object is moving. So it means the ball has its own kinetic energy. But here, air resistance do not. We don't ignore the air resistance. Yeah, we count it. So the air resistance makes the energy, 20% of it, change into thermal energy here. Okay, so 100% of energy change into this one is 20%. So it means that the kinetic energy will be only 75%, right? So it means we have to calculate the amount of the initial one. So the GPE formula is mass multiplied with the gravitational field strength and the height. So it's 1.2 multiplied with 10, yeah, and the height is 30. So it means that I get this amount of number. But that's not the answer. Be careful. The question asking for the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy down there is 75% multiplied with this. I got 270 joule. That's the correct answer. Okay. That's the answer for number 4. Yeah. Next, we move to number 5. A girl hangs by her hands from a bar in the gym. She pulls herself up until her chin is level with the bar. The mass of the girl, blah, blah, blah. She pulls herself through a distance and within 2 seconds. What is the useful power she used to pull herself up? So in order to find the power here, we need to calculate the work she does divided the amount of time. So the work done is, we can calculate the work done is force multiplied with distance, and the force itself is her own weight, yeah. Mass multiplied with gravity and multiplied with the distance. So it means that the mass is 48 times 10, multiply the distance 0.25 and 2 seconds. Here I got 60 watt. I think you can do with calculator, yeah, guys. If you want to do with calculator, just please. Well, it depends on some school. Yeah, they let you do it with calculator, but some of them don't let you do with calculator. Yeah, so make sure you ask your teacher first. All right. So number 6 now. Number 6. This one also about calculating the output power. So it means that we have to use the same formula. Well, this kind of easy because already provided for us the data. Yeah. So the work done is 4,000 kilojoule and at times 160 seconds. So it means that the power is 25 kilowatt. Yeah. Make sure you see this. Yeah. This is kilowatt, kilojoule. Yeah. All right. So we move next to number 7. An aircraft with a mass of blah, blah, blah kg is flying at an altitude of 2,000 meters with a speed of 100 meters per second. What's the kinetic energy of the aircraft? So the kinetic energy formula is half multiplied with mass and its speed squared. So we just do the calculations here. I got this amount of numbers, so many zeros here. And you can simplify with write the standard notations, yeah. All right, so I get the answer is B, yeah. That's for number 7. Now we're moving to number 8. The vertical displacement of mass of 0.2 kg change with time. The graph shows how this displacement change. At which rate? Okay, rate. The rate reverts to the power, right? It gains GPE as it moves upward. So the move upward, so in my opinion, this is the move upward. So we have to find using this, yeah, work done over time. So the work done is the force multiplied with the distance. The force is mass multiplied with gravity and distance. The time here is 1.2, as you can see here, is going down. It's 1.2. The mass is, I guess the mass is 0.2. Multiplied with 10, multiplied with the distance is 2.5. It's in centimeter, but you have to change in meter. So I get this amount of number is 0.0416. And I think we have to round it off up, yeah? This is the only possible answer, I guess. All right, we'll move on next to number 9. Number 9, all right. The table shows the times taken for 4 children to run up the set of stairs. Which child power is greatest? Yeah. So as you can see, the formula to finding power, we have to increase the work done. In order to get the maximum power, increase the work done, or decrease the amount of time taken, yeah, decrease the time. So it means that the child C, yeah, it has the largest mass, but the time is very small, yeah. So I guess number 9 is child C has the largest power, yeah. Okay, we'll move number 10. Which movement will require the greatest amount of work to be done? So the greatest amount of work is force multiplied with distance. So it means that we have to find the largest or the greatest distance. So it means this and this, and the largest force. So it means D, yeah, since it's 15 Newton itself, right? Pretty clear, yeah? All right, so last but not least, number 11, it's about, it's about GPE, yeah? We are now about to finding the height of the hill, yeah? If a car of a mass 800 kilogram travels over the hill, by traveling to the top of the hill, the car gains blah, 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 GPE, yeah? So the formula of GPE, as you know, is mass multiplied with gravity and height. So 40,000, mass is 800, the gravity strength is 10, and the height. So I get the height is 5 meters. Yes, 5 meters. That's the answer. Oh, sorry. Alright guys, gimana Semoga video ini bisa membantu kalian untuk mempersiapkan diri kalau misalnya di sekolah ada kuis atau mau ulangan tentang work done, energy, and power ya. Please, if you have anything to ask, just drop your question in the comment section below or try to contact my WhatsApp ya. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye-bye.